Why the market recovered today. Suspension of tariffs, weakening USD, and other factors. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a strong comeback after a recent decline. Currently, the total market capitalization stands at $2.96 trillion, reflecting a 1.5% increase in the past 24 hours. Nearly all of the top 10 cryptocurrencies recorded gains. Bitcoin increased by 2.7%, Ethereum by 1.6%, XRP by 3.2%, Solana by 3.2%, and Dogecoin by 2.9%. But what is driving this recovery? Let's explore the key factors behind this price surge. The suspension of Trump's tariffs has sparked market optimism. Earlier, US President Donald Trump announced a 25% tariff on imported cars from Canada and Mexico, raising concerns about a serious trade war. This move shook global markets, including cryptocurrencies. However, a temporary solution was reached yesterday when Trump agreed to suspend the tariffs for 30 days following discussions with Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum. This delay has eased immediate trade tensions, reduced macroeconomic pressure, and boosted investor confidence, one of the factors contributing to the recent recovery of cryptocurrencies. The rise of the stock market spills over into cryptocurrencies. The US stock market also witnessed significant growth, continuing to fuel optimism in the cryptocurrency space. The S&P 500 index increased from $5,181 to $5,842, up 1.05%. Cryptocurrency-related stocks reflected this growth. Yesterday, the share price of MicroStrategy rose from $277.54 to $308.55, marking a significant increase of 11.17%. On the same day, the share price of Coinbase Global increased from $214.64 to $222.45, recording a surge of 3.63%. The weakening US dollar raises interest in cryptocurrencies. The US dollar index has decreased by 3.21% in the past 4 days, raising concerns about the strength of the US economy. A weaker dollar typically leads to higher import prices, potentially driving inflation. With inflation fears looming, there is growing speculation that the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates. Current reports indicate a 52% chance of rate cuts by June 2025. If the Fed lowers rates, investors may shift to riskier assets like cryptocurrencies, further strengthening the market. Key technical levels indicate further growth. The total market capitalization of the cryptocurrency market is currently at $2.96 trillion, with important moving averages being applied. 200-day SMA at $2.79 trillion, which is a strong support level, 100-day SMA at $3.28 trillion, and 50-day SMA at $3.19 trillion. Recently, the market has bounced off the 200-day SMA, now trading 5.74% above this support level. The next test will be breaking resistance at $3.19 trillion and $3.28 trillion. If successful, a strong bullish run may follow. Meanwhile, the relative strength index is at 47.58, indicating that there is still room for growth before the market enters overbought territory. Charts are aligning, fundamentals are shifting. Now all attention is focused on the next breakout.